Okay guys, today we're gonna take a look at the slow motion recording capabilities of Samsung Note 20 Ultra. In my opinion, it does a great job, unless you're looking for something really high-end that only a Phantom or something higher can do, then yeah, you go with a Phantom. But for small stuff and for some examples that I'm gonna show you in a minute, you'll be very happy with these features. Let's go to our camera and let me just show you how do you do the slow motion. You go, when you're at camera, as you see right here, I have the cover on, but I'm gonna keep it off. You go to more, and here you have Pro Video, Super Slow Motion, and Slow Motion. This is amazing. You have hyperlapse as well. Let me open slow motion, for example, and as we are here, I'm gonna do some clicks on the shift button and test it for you right here. We record it, boom, 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 boom. I stop it now, and now let's see how it looks in real life. As you see, it looks really nice actually, especially for B-rolls and stuff that you want to show. It is amazing. The other one is gonna be the super slow motion. Super slow motion really goes quite deep. It's right here, super slow motion. And this one you have to be really fast to actually capture what you're trying to capture. And let's go with the super slow motion. As you see, it's done recording at this point. And let's wait to save the video. It takes a second or two. And now let's see how our video looks. As you see, it's much slower and really nice in my opinion. I like how it looks. I like how it came out. I wouldn't say that this is bad, especially coming from a phone that's around 3 years old now. And with that said, let's jump into the examples that I've prepared for you, and let's take a look at them.